It's currently 12:48 in the morning. Let's see if we can get this done by like 3:30. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chad. I'm your tall tailor. I've been on kind of like a roll lately, making a lot of new stuff. I made pants. I made a skirt. Ooh, foreshadowing. We're gonna be making some shorts in this video, as you can see by the title. I have my fabric and I have a prototype pattern. All these pieces, you can see all the sort of cut up and taped together pieces. I just kind of want to show you guys the process that I've been working with. These aren't like the definitive final, shorts that we're going to be doing. When I do have that, I'll probably drop the pattern down in the description. But for now, I'm just going to sort of work it out, make a couple of changes and stuff like that, and hopefully come up with a really... Anyway, enough yapping. Let's get this on. So the pattern I'm making is derived from the pants in my previous video, like the long pants, but I did make a couple of changes to it. This pattern in particular has about 4 pieces, excluding like the pocket and the waistband. It has 2 pieces for the front and I think 2 pieces for the back. I'm gonna cut these pattern pieces out so you guys can sort of better see them, and I'm gonna explain a little bit more further as I go along and I sew them together. All right, so we're finished cutting all the pieces and it is currently 1:30 in the morning. I know I said I'm gonna finish it at 3, but I'm kind of sleepy. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm just gonna start this and continue tomorrow. All right, I'm back. We're gonna start back up with the shorts. Everything's cut, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far. All right, so here are all my pieces. Originally, I was gonna make 3 pairs of shorts, but I'm gonna make 2 because I actually don't have enough fabric for 3, so we're gonna make 2. The first 2 pieces I'm going to be stitching together are the back pieces. This is black on black, so I'm gonna try my best to sort of see. Oh, why is this here? Let me get this out of the way. So these pants are black on black. I'm gonna try my best to sort of show you guys what they look like, but of course it's black on black, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to see. The first thing I'm starting off with is the back of the pants, which is made out of these 2 pieces. So one is a curved piece, back piece, and the other is a sort of like L-shaped piece, and we're going to be stitching these together down the middle. I'm going to stitch them and I'm going to overlock them. So I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and I'll be right back. All right, we're back from the machine, baby. Check it out. This is what the back panel of the pants looks like, but it's black on black. So what I did is I added some contrast stitching, so you can kind of see where I added the panels. You can kind of see. I do need to take this to the iron, but other than that, it's pretty good. So one panel kind of looks like that. One curve on the back. I stitched both panels together, so this is the back part of the pants done. No back pockets, no anything like that, just 2 straight panels. That's what the inside looks like. It's nice and clean and overlocked. Now we're gonna go set this aside and work on the front. Boom. That's what the front looks like. It's also made of 2 pieces. One is, you can see the crotch, the front rise here, and there's a straight line, and it connects up to this piece here. You gotta bear with me because it's kind of like difficult to see. This is a piece that folds, and it kind of folds like that. So there's gonna be a fold here, and then that's gonna connect over here. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did with the back part of the pants, connect these 2 pieces together, and then explain it when we come back from the sewing machine, okay? Oh man, oh man. A part of me likes sewing at like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning because I feel like I'm a night owl. I just get like that drive whenever it's like super late at night, but also the sleepiness is starting to kick in right now. Anyway, we're back from the sewing machine. Let's look at what the front looks like. So these 2 front panels, bear with me here, I did stitch them together. And you can kind of see the pants are starting to come together, that little big sort of pleat or overlap fold of fabric. is here. And I already did make one. This is so hard to see, black on black, man. I'm sorry, y'all. It's really, maybe I should get a better camera. It's hard to see like the sort of seams and the texture when it's a black piece of fabric. Live and learn, I guess. The next part of this project that we're going to be doing for the pants is we're going to be stitching the front and the back piece together, just to make, you know, the pants come together. After we stitch the front and the back together, the next things we have to do are the waistband and the hem, and also the pockets too. I think I'll add the pockets sometime in between there, but I'll let you know. All right, so I'm like 90% done the pants. This is what they look like inside out. Again, kind of a little difficult to see. So these are the pocket bags. Of course, I didn't finish them yet. This is what they look like. Ta-da! You can see the little pleats on the side. I'll show some closer footage of the pants so you guys can see them a little bit better, but boom. The pocket bags for the pants are red. But when the pants close up, you don't really see the red pocket bag, especially when I didn't iron this or put the waistband on yet, but when I iron it, you're not going to be able to see anything. Okay, so I'm in the home stretch. I'm going to go add the waistband on, hem the pants, button holes, and belt loops, and I think that's all I need to add. Yeah, all right. Pants are finished and they look great. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of an on body so you can see what they look like when you have them on. And other than that, I really like how these pants turned out. There's a couple of things I did end up changing and I do want to change. Just looking at them now, I think they're probably about like 80% where I want them to be. But just a couple of things I do want to change. Maybe I can add a couple more pleats at the front. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh wait, I did one and I did two. Would this have been quicker if I just did one and didn't film anything? Probably, but you know, a little lack of sleep never killed anybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Chad, I'm your tall Tailor, and I will see you in the next video.